Okay, so I guess I have to turn my CNBC off, volume off. Okay, so my mom said that I need to have voice over at least on my trading videos, for since I'm not doing like a picture-in-picture video right now. And since Ephesians 6:1 says obey your parents, I guess I'll listen to her and I'll give you guys some voiceover. All right, so I'm just gonna do right now, I'm gonna do my top-down analysis. I'm recording this on my iPad, but I do my top-down analysis on my desktop computer. And but it will correlate and come over here as I do it. It'll show what I'm doing. So my top-down analysis is I'll show you. So this is what I do for my top-down analysis. I listen to, well, I say this to myself: Yahweh, guide my steps, so that I may not be overcome with evil. That's Psalms 119, 133. I play an affirmation video. It's like a voice. I'll play that. You'll hear it. I make sure that my trading build guide is on my chart. I'm an analyst by career, a software architect, and I use build guides, and so that kind of gave me a correlation as to why I need to follow my trading plan. Because when you build, I build hospital systems, so it's like if you build hospital systems, then you should, you have to follow the build guide, or it's not gonna work. Okay, so dang, this is moving down. I'm looking at my computer and I'm getting distracted because Nasdaq is moving. Okay, so another thing is. Okay, and then I do my new day opening gap, my high time frame AOIs is area of interest, the most recent bearish and bullish order blocks. Sometimes I'll measure the 8:30 a.m. candle with the fib if it was like a big major news candle, just to see like the 50% line, or maybe the golden level, the 0.61 level, I think is the golden, 0.61 or 0.65, one knows it's the golden level. I do my 850 to 910 macro. I should have macro on here, just so other people can see. And then I do my 928 candlestick range, my 932 candlestick range. And these are my entries. I'm going to do conservative entries for a little while because I was aggressively entering, but Nasdaq has been crazy with price action lately, and it has not been giving me my full TPs before it like reverses a lot, and I don't like drawdown, so I'm gonna wait till 932, see how that works out, because it does give bigger moves after the 932 candle, I've noticed. And then that's part of my build guide. Aggressive entry at 930. This is my trading build guide is different now. I need to have it. So this should be my trading build guide. Yeah. Okay. And then there is no 6. All right. So that's that. And then my risk management is usually 1 mini, 100 ticks. That's stop loss. This is a stop loss. And then 1 mini, 200 ticks is, oh, well, it says risk per trade, so that's letting me know it's a stop loss, but Yeah, so maybe I don't have to put that there. Okay, now I need to go to the charts now because it takes a little while to do this. Now the price is going back up. Okay. Alright, so I'm going to start here because I'm going to leave this other side clear. And the first thing I do is mark off the most recent order blocks. It's a bearish order block. For people that don't know what an order block is, order block is a bearish order block is the last bullish candle before a major shift in structure on the downside. So this would be a bullish candle, so that's the last bullish candle before a major shift in structure on the downside. So that's a bullish order block. And this is the H4 chart, 4-hour chart. So I need to know what chart this was on because that makes it valid for that particular chart. So if a wick goes through that but a full body candle does not go through that, it still makes it valid. It can wick through the order block, it just can't have a full body candle. Yeah, so this could be 1-2. This could be 1-2, considered to be 1-2. So honestly, sometimes I do like to maybe bring that down a little bit to cover them both, and that would be more of a demand, a supply zone. I think people who trade supply and demand would probably call that a supply zone, but I'm calling it an order block. It was 2 order blocks within there that price has been rejecting. You see price reject this order block, and then this one rejected this order block. So I'm just going to have them both in there for now. And then when I go down to the next level, I may change that. I'm going to move this out the way. No, I'm not going to move that right now. Okay, so then a bullish order block would be the last bearish candle before a major swing on the upside in the bullish direction. So I have all my stuff. I'll do it here so you can see. So this is a OB bullish, and then I change the time so I know what time frame this was on. And then that would be that. And I just put these grids on my page, on my charts, because I feel like it might help me with my levels. And that is these grids. I put the horizontal grids only, and I put them real light so they're not too dark, 7%, just in case that's something you guys were wondering. What are those lines on my chart? I don't like to have a lot of stuff on my chart. I don't like indicators and all that stuff. So the grids, I was kind of nervous, like, is that going to be distracting? But it's so far been okay. I'm drinking coffee too, so if you hear me slurping. All right, so now I'm going to go down to the 15-minute time frame. And as you see, price is in that. Let's see how much space is this. So this is the 2 OBs. That's not a lot of space. That's only 430 ticks, 100 points in between, and price is already halfway in between. So price is probably this is more of a better order block to use, honestly. This one here, the 15-minute one. I'm gonna do it on my other chart though, because I don't like doing all this stuff on my iPad. Okay. So you'll see it populate on there as I do it. I just wanted to explain what I was doing on there and let you guys see that. And I only mark my order block bodies off unless the bodies are real small and the wicks are long. Say for instance, like if I was using this order block right here, I would mark off this whole thing, the wick and the body, because the body is so small. But since I'm utilizing a bigger one, I'm only going to mark the body off. Okay. And I use hollow candles, so this candle is probably green on a regular chart. When it's red like this, like a iridescent, like open body, that's usually, and then I'll go in here to change it to see what color. Yeah, that's green. And then I go back to my regular, but I know it because I've been using hollow candles, because those are candles I like to use. But okay, so that is a bearish. Oh yeah, but while I do this, I listen to my trading information video. So you guys aren't gonna have to just listen to that right now, because I need to make sure I listen to that.
I am a consistently profitable trader. I am a consistently profitable trader. I generate an income I can rely on. I generate an income I can rely on. I am a consistent winner. I am a consistent winner.
I need to find a OB that's bullish,
I
that's
identify my edge.
underneath this.
I identify
here.
my edge.
I identify my edge. Okay, there's one.
I am mindful, patient, and focused. I am mindful, patient, and focused. I predefine my risk and I plan the trade. I predefine my risk and I plan the trade. I have a series of trades perspective. I have a series of trades perspective.
I don't know where to put this book. Bill guide. Sorry guys with the...
I think in probabilities. I think in probabilities. I trade the best and I leave the rest. I trade the best and I leave the rest. I always follow my trading rules. I always follow my trading rules. I protect my account above all else. I protect my account above all else.
I'm going to change this H4 a little bit.
If there are no trading opportunities, I walk away. If there are no trading opportunities, I walk away.
because I don't like it being that
I earn
big.
and protect my capital. I earn and protect my capital. I follow my strategy. I follow my strategy. I am a magnet for wealth.
I think that's a good one.
I am a magnet for wealth. I am worthy of abundance. I am worthy of abundance.
Now I go to the 5 minute.
I am successful. I am successful. I have confidence in my abilities. I have confidence in my abilities. I am powerful. I am powerful.
I also use these order block representations to use.
I am calm.
Because I don't like a lot of...
I am calm.
I am calm. I don't like a lot of rectangles.
I am focused.
I am focused.
I am focused. I am a disciplined trader. I am a disciplined trader. I am loving kindness, compassion, and acceptance. I am loving kindness, compassion, and acceptance.
Okay. So that's that. So, like I said, I have been doing normally 100 tick stop loss and 250 tick take profit, but I'm going to try something different. And because price action has been super crazy lately, and it hasn't been going to the full 250 take profit before it reverses like 100 or more ticks or whatever. So I'm going to do 2 contracts, 50 tick stop loss and 100 tick take profit. See how that goes. Okay, so now I have to, there's so many different areas for these OBs right now on the 5 minute chart, and I don't want to have all these lines and stuff. I'm trying to see like where would price probably go to. It probably want to hit here and go up because it's so close to there. But if it decided to go up first, where would it probably go up to? That's 200. That's 1. This is 100. What time is it? 9:15. I gotta hurry up. I'm not finishing my I'm taking too long because I'm talking to you guys. I haven't even done my new day opening gap. Okay, so new day opening gap is you have to change, I don't know, I can't do it on here, but you change your, from electronic trading to regular day trading. And where is that session? So here it is. Okay, so you can see. So this will be the last candle when the market closed New York session PM, like at 4:15 I think. So I marked that off because I learned that from the ICT dude, that the Nasdaq will want to clear that up at least 50% most times during the first part of the morning session. 80 to 90% of the time, it's going to want to clear that up within at least 50% of it in the first part of the morning session. Okay. And then you put the date there because it's only valid for 5 days. All right. So now I have to go to the 1 minute chart and I have to mark off my 850 to 910 macro. And I have a I already built rectangle for that, which you won't see me because I'm putting it on here. This is like, okay, so that's not, you'll see I'm putting it on now. So 9, 10. So from 850 to 910. All right. Now, as I mark this off, I've done everything. Oh yeah, on the 5 minute chart, I like to find the most recent swing point. And I think it would be this one. OMG, I'm so like congested. Sorry. And then what's the most recent swing point on the top end? Okay. Now, stay on the 1 minute chart. I think I'm going to have the 15-minute chart here displayed too, though, because I really need to focus on this 15-minute chart. The 15-minute chart gives literally the best view of like price action. I should probably at least have my 2 H4 order blocks hit on this 15-minute chart. So that way I kind of know where price action is going a little bit. So that's what I will do. So now I just have to wait for my 9:28 a.m. and 9:32 candles to print, and then find a trade from there, because I'm not doing the aggressive going in at exactly 9:28. I'm probably gonna regret it as it's going, because it's probably gonna just shoot down or something. And I'm like, oh, I should have got in, but I have to not have FOMO and just follow my rules. I always want to have FOMO. Okay. This is the best strategy that I found for myself. I use the 9:28 a.m. and 9:32 a.m. candlestick correlations. The price action always rejects off of 9:28 and 9:32 levels at all times of the day, and then price definitely reacts to order blocks. So those are the levels that I use. I don't use indicators. I don't use EMAs. If people know what EMAs and SMAs, the exponential moving average and the smoothing moving average, I don't use any of that stuff. I don't want all that stuff on my charts. I'm gonna do this one here on the 15-minute as well. That's at the bottom of this. Make that a bullish and leave it at that. I think I'm gonna put this bullish line up here. I really should move this to here, but I don't think I'm gonna erase that. Okay, so that's good enough for this. I don't really like two charts. I like to just focus on one chart, but I don't know. We'll see. Because I like to have my focus on one chart. So I'm going to have just this on this chart. 1 minute only chart. New day opening gap, you're definitely going to want to fill that up, because how many ticks is that from where price is? It's 531 ticks from where price is to that new day opening gap. So it may go down and hit this green order block here, this H4, and then shoot up there. And it's like all these equal highs right here. Price always, that's liquidity. Price always wants to knock out equal highs, and it's a lot of equal highs right there. So I'm thinking price is definitely going to want to go up there. And then how many ticks is it from price to this OB? Oh, it's only like 200 ticks from price to that bullish OB. So it would drop there and then make its way on up. And it has been going down all night, it looks like. Since the market opened last night at 6 p.m. Okay. Well, we just have to wait and see. Oh yeah, so I think I'm gonna stop this, and then so I can post this as my analysis, and then start back at 9:28 candle, and then trading.